Rhonda Robson with Rhonda's Tri-RRR-tistry, and so thank you so much for joining me today. Well, today's fluid art is all about picking colors that my mom loved. So my mom passed away 15 years ago, and she raised my sister and myself alone because my father had passed away when I was 3. So when I was trying to think of something to honor her with, her birthday is today, and so that's why I'm launching it today. Her favorite colors wrapped around the southwestern colors of the reds, golds, teals, browns, that type of stuff. And so when I created this, I used those colors in it, and then I did a swipe. And I put the silicone only in one of the colors, and I was amazed at how big the cells got. And as you see the canvas, and even when you watch this video, you can see that my table that I was pouring on at the time was uneven, and so was my drying area a little bit, so it kind of leaned to the one side, but it still, I think, is pretty cool looking, and I really enjoy it. And I think I'm going to resin this one to bring out even more of the gold. So, and there's a couple spots that I want to touch up with a little bit of black, but this is it. So I swiped from here down, and that's my dog. She must see somebody outside. But anyway, I'll keep going. But I swiped down. But this is a cell. I mean, it's a huge cell. I'm so impressed with that. But those are the colors, and they're just gorgeous. And so I can't wait to resin it. And I wanted to resin it prior to me showing this video, but I wanted to get it out on her birthday. So happy birthday, Mom. I love you and I miss you every single day, and I thank you for making me the person and the individual that I am. So this is for you, Mom. And her name is Barbara. Okay, thanks everyone for joining me today. Let's get you down on the canvas. Bye for now. Hi everyone. Okay, so I'm going to be doing a swipe with some, I don't know, Southwest kind of colors. These are the color palettes. This is in honor of my mother. My mother loved Southwest art. So we're going to be doing a black swipe. So there's this black. Then we're going to be doing red, magenta, red, brown, it's like a copper metallic, fluorescent red. This is kind of like a aqua color, teal, if you will. And then soft gold. So, and then that's that. And it's at a mound on a mound on a mound consistency, kind of a thicker paint. So that's what we're going to be doing. I'm probably going to trying to decide if I want to put any. I don't think I'm going to put any. Well, I might put silicone in this. The last one I didn't put silicone in, and I was kind of disappointed. So I think I will put silicone in this one. All right. So I'm going to cover this with black, so that way it's completely covered, and spend some time doing that here. Okay, so the first thing that I want to do is, let's see, I'll do a little bit of the red here. I think I'll do a little bit more here. So last time I didn't feel like I had enough of the color throughout, so I'm just going to go ahead and put multiple lines of these colors. Okay. Do the fluorescent next. magenta. Well, you know what? I'm gonna do a no. Yeah, I'll do copper next. This is red brown. Let's go with the soft gold next. And I want the soft gold up here too. So I'm gonna kind of get these colors mixed with each other. Go to the sides. To the other side. And then I'll take some more red up here, right next to the other red. Okay, and then black. Now, what I didn't put in here was silicone, but I do have some silicone in my bright gold that I had earlier. So I'm just going to take it and put it across this red. As the black swipes across it, you're going to see how it's already making a little bit of the cells. Okay. Now this is the bright 24 karat gold. The other gold is the soft gold. So I'm going to get this out of the way, these colors, and then I will swipe. gonna do one more thing. So, here we go. Hopefully this looks good. So I already like this. This is kind of coming out kind of cool. So let's see what happens. Just watch the cells pop up. I have no butane left in my torch, so I can't even torch anything. So let's see if I can get it. I have tiny, 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 tiny flame. I'm just leaving that. That's looking gorgeous. It's like it's spreading this way. Wonder if it's uneven that way. Okay, I'm gonna try to go get this off here and try to get this into my drying area without messing it up too much. Okay, here we go. That's all she wrote. Bye.
Thanks for watching, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that way you can get notified when I have a new video up. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.